Yes, folks, it is door time. What you're looking at there is one 12-foot box rail for a sliding door. That is going to go up against there, all the way across. I have measured my door, finally. Didn't measure it when I built it, but it is almost exactly 6 feet across there, which is perfect. I've got another 6 feet going that way, so that makes it perfect. The door will close and slide all the way open. So what else do I need? Well, this here goes on the bottom of the door track down on the ground, and you run a rail from the bottom of the door through there, and it keeps the door from flapping open in the wind and just keeps it able to roll. Beautiful. I just happen to have left a beautiful amount of space on that 4x4 to put such a thing, because I planned ahead, even though I didn't say I did. Alright, what else do I got here? We got 4 of these, which are brackets. You slide them over the rail, they hold the rail, and that goes into the 2x6 wood that's right there, so that it holds the rail. The rail itself is not being drilled into the 2x6s, except for on the very ends. There's one screw hole up there, and there's one screw, I don't think you can see it, but it's up there. So those will be screwed up into the up part of the 2x4, no, it's 4x6, 2x6. Yes, it is 2x6. Anyway, the 2x6 box, it'll go into the top. So I'll have nails going that way, nails going up on the ends, and those ends will also have little stoppers, so that, you know, the door doesn't go sailing off the end. Yeah. So, what's the wonderful thing in this box? Oh, wait a second. Bolts. Nice heavy-duty bolts. I will probably drill beautiful little holes and then put the little bolts in there so that they do not split the wood. They will go nicely into the 2x6s. Yeah, I know what I'm working with. Yeah. Anyway, down here I got a little bracket piece. This wonderful thing rides inside of the box rail, and it's like a little car. Then it has a big old bolt contraption thing. I'll probably have to cut it. I don't know exactly, but anyway, it will, at the top, be in like that, so it don't go nowhere. And then the bottom, because that's the bottom, and you see it swings freely, so that's why you need that stopper on the bottom to keep the door from flapping like a big flapper. But anyway, this part of the massive thing, the top of the door will have a 2x4, 2x4 will have a hole through it, and this will bolt into that and carry the door back and forth. So that's basically your idea of putting together one of these door thingamajiggy sliding barn door contraptions. Now, there are kits. You can go buy a kit. Kits seem to be a little more expensive than what I bought. This 12-footer, all the little bits and parts cost probably about $150, somewhere around there. I got it at Tractor Supply. Went up there, looked at the stuff, said I need one of these, 2 of these, 4 of those, and blah, 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 and drove home with it. So it's not exactly a hard thing to get. You can order kits. The kits seem more complicated, but of course you get what you pay for in that case. They're probably more decorative and more this, that, and the other. My basic feeling is you're not supposed to see the hardware at all. You're just supposed to see the door. So therefore, you won't see the rail. You'll just see the top of the door. You won't see the little wheelie thing that much. I might put a little, on this side of it, put a box to hide it, keep the rain off it, just to that's adjustable to length, however long of a distance you need in there. So once it's up, I can get something and just build it so it goes over the top. Doesn't have to touch. Won't touch. It'd be preferable if you don't touch. You can probably rest it a little bit on the bolt, but it'll keep the rain off it so that it lasts longer. Stuff that gets exposed to weather tends to go bad faster. Simple. Anyway, that is the door project. I hope you all are as excited as I am about it, and you tell all your friends, tell all your neighbors, tell strangers on the street, post it to your social media, tell everybody how wonderful this is, and somebody stop me. Yeah, okay. Hit the like button, share button, subscribe button, all those dumb things that you're supposed to say. Anyway, sliding bar dirt, that's the next step. Great greenhouse build. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.